Let me ask you something. If your accelerator got stuck at 70 miles per hour, would you know exactly what to do? If you left your car at the airport for 2 weeks, would it start when you came back? If your engine was silently wearing itself out every morning, would you even notice? Japanese cars are famous for reliability. But what most drivers don't realize is this: reliability isn't magic. It's hidden engineering layers. Companies like Toyota and Honda design safety and protection systems most owners never activate. Today, we're uncovering hidden battery protection, cold start engine protocols, built-in diagnostic engineering menus, silent security customization, and emergency engine override systems. And I'll tell you a real highway incident that proves why Secret 6 matters. Stay to the end. The philosophy behind Japanese engineering. To understand the secrets, you have to understand the mindset. In Japan, engineering culture follows a principle called prevention over reaction. Instead of fixing failures, they design to avoid them. Take Toyota's long-standing philosophy of continuous improvement, or Honda's obsession with mechanical efficiency, or Subaru's safety-focused drivetrain design. These companies don't just build cars, they build redundancy. But redundancy is often invisible, and invisible features are rarely explained at delivery. That's where this video changes things.
Secret number 1. Battery survival layer.
Modern cars never fully sleep. Keyless entry systems constantly scan. Security modules stay semi-awake. Telematics systems ping occasionally. That parasitic draw adds up. Airport scenario. You leave for 10 days. You return. Click. Nothing. Many Japanese vehicles allow reduced keyless sensitivity modes or customizable power-saving settings. On some models, lock, quick additional presses, and altered confirmation signal. On others, you can disable passive keyless entry via settings. Why isn't this clearly advertised? Because it varies by year. It varies by trim. Manufacturers avoid liability from incorrect use. But here's what you can safely do on most modern vehicles. Disable passive keyless entry when traveling. Turn off welcome lighting. Deactivate constant remote app wake-ups. Avoid leaving the key near the car at home, preventing signal wake cycling. Small settings. Big difference.
Secret number 2. Cold start engine protection.
Cold start wear is real. Oil thickens overnight. Internal tolerances shrink in cold weather. Turbo bearings lack instant lubrication. Japanese ECUs manage warm-up intelligently. Richer mixture. Adjusted idle. Timing adaptation. But drivers interrupt the process. Start, shift, gas, load. Instead, start the engine. Let it idle 15 to 20 seconds. Keep RPM low for the first few minutes. If you drive turbocharged vehicles from brands like Mazda or Mitsubishi Motors, this habit becomes even more important. Long-term effect? Reduced wear. Smoother performance. Lower risk of premature turbo issues. It's not dramatic, it's disciplined.
Secret number 3. Hidden engineering diagnostics.
Here's where it gets interesting. Most drivers rely entirely on warning lights, but many Japanese cars include service-level diagnostic displays. Older generation vehicles from Toyota and Honda sometimes allow access through button sequences. You may see exact coolant temp, not just normal, real battery voltage, sensor output values. Why is this powerful? Because normal on your gauge could be 185 degrees Fahrenheit or 215 degrees Fahrenheit. Those are very different numbers. When you see real data, you detect problems early. Always confirm model-specific procedures before trying. This isn't hacking. It's accessing built-in service information.
Secret number 4. Security and silent mode customization.
Most people never explore vehicle settings, but Japanese manufacturers hide serious customization inside infotainment systems. Horn confirmation toggle, auto lock delay timing, headlight delay duration, walk-away lock behavior. Some models allow silent confirmation with long press of lock. It feels small, until you realize your car is more configurable than you think. It's not basic transportation, it's layered software.
Secret number 5. The highway incident. Real story structure.
Several years ago, a highway incident involving unintended acceleration shook public confidence in electronic throttle systems. One widely reported case involved vehicles from Toyota, leading to major investigations and recalls. Investigations later identified multiple contributing factors in different cases, including floor mat interference and pedal design issues. Since then, manufacturers have reinforced fail-safe logic and override systems. Here's what matters today. Modern push-start vehicles are designed with emergency override logic. If acceleration ever feels uncontrollable, Step 1. Shift to neutral immediately. Step 2. Apply firm, steady braking. Step 3. Press and hold the start-stop button according to your manufacturer's instructions. Engine shuts down. Steering remains functional. Braking remains available, though assist may reduce over time. This is intentional design. Manufacturers built this because panic kills reaction time. Knowledge prevents panic. Turbo cool-down discipline. After aggressive driving, don't shut off instantly. Turbochargers spin at extreme RPMs. Let idle 30 to 60 seconds. Oil stabilizes temperature. Heat dissipates gradually. Bearing stress reduces. Old mechanics knew this instinctively. Modern drivers forget. Engines don't forget. Japanese reliability isn't luck. It's quiet engineering. Hidden layers. Backup systems. Protection most owners never activate. Now I'm curious. What car do you drive? Brand? Year? Let's see how deep your model goes. Like if you learned something. Subscribe if you want deeper automotive breakdowns. Drive smart. Drive prepared.